Hey folks, Matt here. I am just going to show you how I make a Bloody Mary. It's really not a Bloody Mary, it's a Bloody Caesar. Way more tasteful. So here we go. Squeeze half a lemon, and I make this in the glass. I don't do the mixing because I think if you chill it too much, you don't get as much of a taste. So juice of either a whole small lemon or half a large lemon. So this is larger, so I'm going to do half of this. And next we will do 2 shots of vodka. This is a large drink, so there's exactly 1 shot left in that bottle. And we got another bottle here. Two shots of vodka. And then we do half a shot of this sweet banana peppers juice. Okay, this is killer for the taste. So half a shot of this peppercini juice. Then 1 full shot of clam juice. Make sure you shake it up. Okay, now either horseradish sauce or I've got this wasabi horseradish, but you just want a small clump of this. Oops. Okay. Next, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Now this does not have the pourer on it, so I'm going to throttle this with my finger. There you go, just a dash or 2 of Worcestershire sauce. Now a couple of dashes of Tabasco sauce. Well, that'll work. So that's regular Tabasco sauce, or you can use another variant if you want of Tabasco sauce, but you want to get some heat in there regardless. And something interesting is this green Tabasco sauce I will try on my next one. Okay. A couple of healthy dashes of celery salt, dash of pepper, a sprinkle of garlic powder, and there you have it. You want to mix this up really good because you don't want that clump of horseradish sauce coming up through the straw. So this is why you keep your V8 juice. You can use tomato juice too, but I think V8 has more complexity. So I always shake up your juices. So here's V8 juice right out of the refrigerator. I come to about a spot where I'll fit 4 ice cubes on top of that. There we go. Probably, there's probably 12 ounces there. Let's stir it again. And about 4 ice cubes. Four or 5. And now, this is called a Bloody Caesar, and instead of celery, I'm going to put a pickled asparagus spear, because Julius Caesar was killed by swords and spears by his buddies. Et tu, Brute! Okay. There you have it. Ah, that is so good. All right, it's healthy. Got tons of vitamin C. Tasty. 2 shots of vodka won't make you tipsy too fast. And super good drink. I highly encourage making it. Okay, thanks for watching.